Hello world, I'm back to do the farm tour like everyone wanted. That was just in my garage, by the way. So yeah, I have to kind of look up every few seconds to see what I'm doing. Well, I'm starting with the barn. Excuse me. Sorry, I just burped. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, I'm starting off with the barn. This is where we have our horses and our cows. Okay, there you go. You can see me more now. You can see me better now. Excuse me. Sorry. I just had dinner. So I'm a little... Hey. I am a little... Sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I just ate dinner, so that's why I might burp a few times. Okay. So... Those are the cows that Angie didn't want me to show you, but I'm doing it anyway. And then the horses. Don't eat it. It's not food. Okay, buddy, it's not food. Don't eat it. And then there's the miniature. And then Gabby, and then Sandy, the brown one. The brown thing standing out there is Sandy. I don't actually know if you could hear me over that, but whatever. Let's find out. I'll find out later, and then if you can't, then well, sucks for you. You just have to look at them. And I'm going to the other barn. That happened during the storm we had a couple weeks ago, before, like right when school started. So yeah, not good. And then this part collapsed last winter, or a couple years ago. So yeah, I've had a lot of problems with the barn in the past few years. I don't really know if you could see any of that, but whatever, sucks for you. You don't know what I'm talking about then. It sucks for you. Oh my god, my camera quality sucks in this barn. Holy. And it gets worse as I go through. There are the chickens. And I'm going out the other way. There's nothing over there. That's just another barn that's completely empty. With some... Actually, you know what? I'll take you there. Because apparently you guys wanted... I'm sure you want every square inch of this farm done. Better show this too. Okay. Now, this is the old parlor. This is where we used to milk the cows. That's where the cows went there. That's why you hooked up to their... you hooked up to their udders, or... yeah, udders, I'm gonna call them. Those things. You know, there's like a little room back there. That's where we stored the cows. That's where the cows were before they were getting milked. And those things, I believe, were used for those tinting, those silver things. Those, I believe, were used for food. So yeah, I'll make sure I turn off the light. It's gonna get dark in here. So just okay. Can't see my face right now, but that's okay. You don't need to see my face anyway. My face isn't that pretty. Okay. So on to the next barn, which is completely empty. Mine. Now that I mentioned, except there's a few hay bales. There's some hay in here. There's some straw, I should say, not hay. I don't know. Yeah, there's the hay. This is gonna be a long video because I have to walk around. I'm not gonna walk around the whole farm. That's the little place where we kept the cows. Not too interesting. This is probably about 10 minutes. Because I have to walk around the whole entire perimeter of the farm. I should take the forklift. Yeah, but then I can't look at the camera. It'd be a little... And I might end up dropping my iPad and breaking it. So, yeah. That's a possibility, too. So, right now I'm just walking to the fire pit. Cause, oh, by the way, that's the shop. I don't know if you saw that, but I'm not gonna go in every building, okay? Some of these buildings are pretty much useless. I can't see my face right now. There's too much shadow. It just looks like shadow. You can see the outline of glasses and my cap. Okay. You can see the horses out there. Sorry. Okay, I'm going in the chicken coop. Oh gosh. Okay. Yeah, I'm in the chicken coop. There's some chickens. And then there's some chickens. So, yeah. Hey, Simon. Simon. Come on. Oh, get her. Simon's. Here's my cat. Ow, Simon. This is the one that walked in front of the camera on my first video back. She doesn't really want to be on camera again, I guess. There she is. Ow, okay, fine, get down. Ow. Okay. This is the fire pit. That's where we do our fires and stuff. And then, that's nothing, really, at all. Geez, Simon. Almost run me over, cat. Okay. My face is still pitch black. I'm sorry about that. You can't see my lips moving at all. Oh my gosh. Sorry, too. You can't see my lips moving at all. You can't. The only thing you can see is my cap and my sweatshirt. I don't need to go there. This rock goes in my grandpa's shop. But I don't really need to show you that. Not really much to show anymore. Wait till we get over there. I don't even know that I can see half this stuff. I'll have to... But if you don't, then I'm not doing another video, so this is what you're gonna get. This is what you're gonna get, okay? Is that okay? Okay, that's creepy. So yeah, this is what you're gonna get. So yeah, there's the dead corn patch. We got all the corn we could out of that. Unless, well, there's probably some there, but it's all probably dry. I've never actually looked what dry sweet corn looks like. You guys will experience this you guys will experience this with me. Oh, that's what it looks like. You can't really see it again. I'll go in there. God dang it! Sorry guys, I dropped my iPad. See if we can find a thicker one or better cob to show you guys. Cause that was kind of crappy. That was a little crappy one. Gotta find a good one. Gotta find a good one for my peeps. There's no cobs. What the heck? Okay, what? I'm saying what the heck? You guys are all adults, kinda. Oh, here's a good one. No, it's... Oh my god, that's a horrible one. You guys are all adults. There are no cobs out here. Why? What the hell? Where all the stupid cobs go? Well, I'm not walking through the entire cornfield looking for a cob. So I'll just show you the one I found earlier. Or not really earlier, because it's only... Simon, come on! Come on, Simon! Okay. Ow. 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 Okay. I'll just show you that one. I'll kind of find the good... there's not really good side. Oh, don't break. Don't fall, I mean. There. I got it, kinda. Okay, hopefully this is, shady enough where you can see me at least. I've been kind of talking here a little bit. Okay. It's shady enough. Okay, so that's the cob. That's what it looks like. I'm sure all of you seen corn before, so not too much of a surprise to you. I don't know really why I showed you that. Well, I'll sit here and talk for a while. This is equipment shed. I'm just gonna sit in here and talk a little bit. That's alright. Okay. Don't fall in, please, iPad. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. I apologize for my swearing. Okay. Oh god, okay, so right now I'm sitting on the swather, which is what it takes down weed and stuff. And yeah, I would not want to get caught up in there. No, you wouldn't. Ouch. That would hurt. Okay, oh my gosh. Well, might as well go to 15 minutes for you guys. I wonder if there's anything else. I'm gonna find something else to show you guys since I'm going to 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, I hate climbing down this ladder. Okay, I'm setting my iPad down so I don't drop it and break it. That would not be good. That would not be good. I can tell you that right now. My mom would probably kill me. Not literally, figuratively. She'd probably yell at me a whole crap ton. So now we're going back into the darkness. That is